fix a proxy server problem during installing MT5 or MT4. Hello traders, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and as you know, 2 years ago I created a video about this. This is the video that I created about proxy server problem 2 years ago, and as you can see, I got a lot of comments such not fix, this is the fake video, etc., and I got a lot of insults all these years and months. So a lot of comments I just delete from my Facebook account because a lot of people were angry on it. And I understand why, because I answered this question and solved for some part of the people. However, a lot of people cannot fix the problem anymore. So let me bring again. For example, this is my account. If you go to tools and options, we have a moment when we can add a proxy. But what is the major problem? Just listen a little bit careful. A lot of traders have problem with Metatrader platform and home IP or workplace IP. What happens here, Metatrader for some users do not allow you to connect to Metatrader platform using your IP, and your only way for you is to have a proxy username, server, a login to connect to Metatrader 4 or Metatrader 5 platform. So the question is this: why you have such a problem? So the first group of people that can fix this problem is people that can ask themselves, can I, without proxy, log in Metatrader 4 or 5 platform? If you can, and you want to use a proxy because you want that's your right. If you have a problem, the problem can be only in server name, login, password that you put here because you want to test some proxy server that you find on internet, or can be because of firewall in Windows or Linux computer. So in previous video that I made, proxy server problem during installing MT5, MT4, you just have this, it's connected with this video. You can see how to fix this problem. So the problem can be username, can be server, can be password, or firewall problem. And in this video, you have an answer. So this first group we fixed, no problem. So let me go further. Next, we have the second group of people. The second group of people are Linux users. So if you use a Linux and you cannot connect with your ordinary IP to Metatrader, and Metatrader gives you use proxy, in that case, I fix several problems for several users on this way. I cannot guarantee that 100% you fix problem, but in this case, the problem is GNU TLS, Secure Communication Library on your Linux computer. So I don't want to talk too much about this. There is with this red letters command that you can write and you can activate, you can run this command in Linux, and it will fix your computer and you will be able to use a proxy or without proxy. I know we will see, but I think that you will be able to use a Metatrader 4 or 5 platform without any problem. All these comments and everything that you see in this video, there is an article that I wrote, and I update that article every single week when I solve some kind of the problem. Just go visit that article, just link just below this video, and I hope that future I will fix problem for every single user of this planet. Now let me go further. The next thing is, let me see if you are pushed to use a proxy and you need to use a proxy, that you are able to proxy. So let me start and check your network and internet. Do this. What you need to do is you need to go in your control panel in the section network and internet, and if you go here, you will have in the left side of your screen proxy, option proxy. Here you can set to on, automatically detect the settings, and here you can set a proxy server. Here you can check this be on and put here, and in that case with that proxy server you will use proxy server not just in Metatrader, on any other application. Sometime for some client we had a problem like this. the client used a proxy server in the past. And here the client put this address, port, put old information. And in one moment that proxy server doesn't work anymore. And all other applications had a problem. So he just set this to be off and fixed the problem. So for some users, this can be the solution. I don't know will help you, but for some users, this can be a solution. So proxy server, network and internet section in the control panel. Now, there is another solution for one client that he fixed the problem in Windows using the Control CMD, and he just reset the proxy server. How to do that? You just type the command prompt in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. It will be this black screen. You can go and just run this command. So this is the very, very simple. Next, we have two users, and we solved their problems. For one user, we fixed the problem because he went to the settings, updated security and Windows Update. So he just made Windows Update and solved all problems. And I think that one woman had the same problem and solved with the update security Windows Update. So the Windows Update for some users can be solution. Check, maybe you will fix the problem, and you will fix the problem not just the problem with Metatrader, maybe with other apps, because this can be problem with internet connection for some. And the last thing that can solve the problem is to install Microsoft Visual C++ file. There is a link. The link you can find in my article. My article is in the description. Go there, install. It's good to have this Microsoft Visual C++ because this framework can help you not just for MetaTrader platform, can help for many apps that you can use on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, and it's very good to have. For some games can solve the problem, etc. So install. There cannot be any harm, any problem directly only from Microsoft website. The Microsoft website made all these patches and these files. So this is another case. On the end, what I want to tell you that some users cannot fix this problem because they use laptops in office or in some internet cafes or some places, some workplaces. And I will want just to tell you why some users cannot fix this problem. If you do not use your personal home computer, sometimes from some users on workplaces, there is a problem. Why? Workplaces generally force you through a proxy server. Why? Because a lot of companies around the globe, they want to protect from malicious websites, from hackers, from a lot of problems. And some companies want to block some websites, some platforms, some apps, social networks, because they want that their workforce do not do other things than doing the work. And because of that, they block Facebook. So for some offices, you cannot use Facebook. And in this case, you cannot use the Metatrader 4 or 5 platform because they block them. And using the proxy server cannot fix the problem because the proxy server blocked the Metatrader 5 because you tried that workplace. I have one guy, he had that kind of problem, and when I show him that he cannot use the Facebook, he understands what happened there. And of course, when he tests that on home computer with the same laptop, there is no problem. So from some users that work on workplace, there is no answer for this because your company blocks your platform. On the end, I just want to beg you again, do not send me insults, fake videos and other things in comments, because really guys, I'm here to help you if I can help you. I'm trying to find solutions for all these people that I help. I didn't charge anything, so I'm doing this because I want to help you. So I will be here. You can ask me any questions about trading, about strategies, about MetaTrader, TradingView, or other trading platforms. You can ask ask me whatever you want. Sometimes I will help you. Sometimes maybe I will not have the time, but please do not be angry. I hope that this video will get some good comments instead insults, and I hope that for some users this will be the solution. For some you, I hope that the first video solved a lot of problems if you have a problem with firewall and proxy server, and this video I hope that helped a lot of people. And if you still didn't solve the problem, watch my article, check my article, it's just below this video, and maybe I will find new answers. I wish you a great day and bye bye.